So in today's session we're going to revise and talk about angles. First we're gonna recall how do we form an angle. How do we form an angle?
We form an angle by two rays.
Two rays having
the same endpoint.
common end point. Okay, so this common end point is called the vertex. How do we name an angle?
We name by three letters.
Three letters. The vertex should be
in the middle.
Okay. What is the unit of measuring an angle? Degrees. Okay. So we're going to start. Someone will be measuring ABC, FED, and GHI. Kamil.
Miss, ABC is 23 degrees.
How did you know, Kamil?
I use the protractor.
How? Kamil.
Miss, I use the protractor, but I put the zero degree line on the one ray and the 90 degrees on the vertex.
Okay, and then we follow which so imagine this is our protractor. Okay, and then which zero sits on the ray. We start following the set of numbers that are after this zero. So it will be 23 degrees. Continue. FED.
FED is 34 degrees.
Yes, so FED is 34 degrees. The same. Hassan Al-Asal, measure GHI.
GHI is 78 degrees.
78 degrees. Let's move to question number 2. We need to construct a rectangle of 5 centimeter diagonals. Jamil, remind us about the properties of
the diagonals intersect in their midpoint and are equal.
So I should draw a diagonal of 5 centimeter first. Its midpoint at 2.5. Another one
also 5 centimeter.
5 centimeter, yes.
So both lines intersect in the midpoint.
So this is equal to this, is equal to this, is equal to this.
Second, the angles, we have 4 right angles in a rectangle.
Yes.
And opposite sides are parallel.
So opposite sides are parallel and equal. This is equal to this 1, 2, 3, and this is parallel to this. So we should be using a set square and a graduated ruler. Okay. Then let's move to draw a rhombus of diagonals AB equals to 7 centimeter. And can you draw it by using your ruler now, Kamil?
Yes. The diagonal this is 7 centimeter.
Yes. Okay, and then we take
its midpoint.
Yes. So half of 7 is
3.5.
Okay. Put the ring marks. This part is equal to. Okay. And then using our set square, the diagonals of a rhombus and intersect in the midpoint. So we should use our set square to draw the other one. Yes.
And we have to make sure that the middle is 2 centimeters.
Yes. So here we have 2 centimeters. Is it 4 centimeters?
Yes.
Yes. So here we have 2 centimeters and here we have 2 centimeters. They are perpendicular. And then we connect. Okay. All the sides of a rhombus are equal. So this is equal to this, is equal to this, is equal to this. The angle angles facing each other are equal also. Okay, so this is a rhombus where AB, this is AB, and this is CD. Okay. So now question number 4, we want to fill in the blanks. Muhammad Ali, the diagonals of A
intersect in the midpoint.
Which quadrilateral?
All intersect in the midpoint, so that must be
Only yes, it's a parallelogram or Jamil, the diagonals of A intersect in their midpoint and have the same length.
Maybe it can be rectangle.
Jamil. It should be a rectangle. So diagonals of a rectangle intersect in their midpoint and have the same length. Jad, the diagonals of A intersect in their midpoint, have the same length and perpendicular. Which quadrilateral? Square. What for now? The diagonals of a rhombus intersect in their midpoint and
are perpendicular.
yes. Now let's move to question number 5. We have a parallelogram ABCD. We need to put the remarks. It's easy, Hassan. So use the ruler, Hassan, to draw the diagonals. Okay. The opposite sides are equal and parallel, so they should have the same remark, yes. And then here. Okay. What about the angles?
The angles are equal.
So opposite angles are equal. This is equal to this, and this is equal to this. What about the diagonals? Jamil, continue.
Diagonals intersect in their midpoint.
Okay. No, we used this. 3.
We put 3.
This is equal to this.
This is equal to this.
Okay. Any questions?